How does practice help? Swami Venkatesananda, a brother monk of our Gurudev, a disciple of Swami Shivananda, gave a number of analogies that I have found very insightful and helpful. That spirit, that essence, that perfection is in us as our own true nature, yet we have to do practice in order to realize it. It almost seems like a paradox. Why do we have to perform effort to realize that which we already are? And sometimes people walk around and say, well, I am enlightened. I am enlightened. But it's more a conceptual thing than actually experiential. So what Swami Venkatesananda said is, picture a farmer, and he wants to plant his field. So first he clears the land, he fertilizes it, he plants the seed, he tends the land, he pulls the weeds, and eventually the seed yields a crop. Okay? The potential to become corn or wheat or whatever it is lies within the seed. The farmer can't put that potential there. The potential is already there, but what the farmer can do is create favorable conditions for the seed to sprout and then flower. Everyone see that? He said, similarly, let's say you have a mirror that's covered with dust and you want to see your face. You can't see your face if it's covered with dust. So what do? You take a cloth and you remove the dust. Then you can see your face. And the point he makes is the reflective capacity of the mirror belongs to the mirror. It has nothing to do with the cloth and its activity. But if not for the cloth removing the dust, the potential, that reflective capacity of the mirror could not be realized. Everyone follow that? Our practice is similar to taking a cloth and removing the dust. Our practice is similar to weeding within, fertilizing, watering, creating favorable conditions, and removing all obstructions to our ability to realize that which is always within us as our own true nature.